I'm going to ask you 10 questions,
All right.
and I'll give you 2 options for each question.
Okay.
No context, just answer, and then we'll go to the next one.
Okay. Cool.
Okay,
Fire away.
so here's Quickfire with Haylie. Number 1, Ban Trang Trom or Ban Trang Nung?
Bánh tráng nướng all the way. Yeah.
Okay. Landmark 81 or Batexco?
Bitexco. Yeah.
A day at the beach or a day at the park?
A day in the park.
Orchestra or choir?
Orchestra. So epic.
Wine or soju?
Wine.
Ghost or witch?
Witch.
Rent the movie or Rent the musical?
Rent the musical. Yeah.
Good answer.
Yeah.
A big crowd that's quiet or a small crowd that's loud?
A small crowd that's loud for sure.
Broadway or West End?
I knew that this would come up. Broadway, because I would love to go to New York.
No explanations.
Broadway. All the way
Okay,
to Broadway.
last one. Long but minor success or brief but huge success?
Minor success.
Okay, so long but minor success.
Long but minor success. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and that's Quickfire with Haylie.
Woo!
Good answers. I was hoping you would say Rent the musical because it's so much better than the movie.
Yeah, a lot of the times where the actual stage musicals are a lot better than the movie.